that. I know there's more. See? Get that.
Alan, can I have the
Lid?
yeah. Put it back on the rest of the box.
Do it on the box.
Mhm.
So you can watch me close it?
No.
What's these close?
So, how much do we got?
Let's see. Let's find out. Get them all organized.
So, what are those over there?
Let's see. It looks like we've got a 50 cent Singapore, or 50 Singapore.
Cents.
Yeah. Looks like 1 yen.
No. A yen. A yen. That.
Namco token. Oh, 2 Namco tokens.
Then that makes 0, right?
And let's see. Altogether, 21 yen, 50 Singapore.
And 0. Right?
Yeah. So he just puts any coin he finds around the house in his piggy bank.
Seems like
We
it.
don't need this, right?
No, we don't need those.
Well, at least I got rid of the Hong Kong cents. I'm not sure what they're called, but yeah. And there's no Filipino currency in there too.
I have a lot.
Philippine currency. Philippine currency.
There's no ringing.
Can you help Daddy sort it out?
Sure.
Yeah. So, how much are they worth, honey baby?
We need these, right?
You're so silly. I love you.
These extra brown, they're called zero things. Right?
Zero things?
They make 0, right?
Well, here they would. You're so cute.
They'll make 0. Well, cents.
Yeah.
And then we'll lose pennies.
Oh, really? I'm sure the machine can't determine it anyway if we put it in there, but we're buying with, money with a real person, with a cashier. Ooh. So, shall we count? Alright, let's count.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22.
Ah,
94, 98, 97,
you're so silly.
96, 97, 18.
Daddy's not amused.
That would be funny.
You're so silly. Alright.
Keep counting.
Count with you.
Well,
Go on.
So 1,
1,
2,
2,
3, 4,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
14,
15, 16,
16,
17,
18,
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27,
28, 29, 2010,
30,
30,
And
31,
31,
31 pennies,
21 pennies,
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
come here.
13, 14,
16,
You're so silly. Come here.
15,
15, 17,
16,
16,
17,
17, 18? 19?
No, it's just 18.
15. This is black, right?
Okay. Next.
Let's count the others.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17,
Comes after 15.
16,
There you go.
17,
Yep.
18, 19, 20. 1, what is that?
Well, we just counted to 20. So what's after 20?
16,
No.
70.
No.
What is that?
Well, you got 20,
20,
21.
21, 22, 23.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16,
Alan.
17,
No. What comes after 14?
18.
No.
What is it?
You know what it is. What comes after 14?
16,
No. So 13?
13, 17,
No. Alan, you're thinking too far ahead. So we got 12.
12, 13, 14, 16,
No.
17.
No.
Oh.
What comes after 4?
14,
No. What comes after 4?
5,
Well, it comes after 14.
16,
15.
15,
Say 15.
15,
Again.
15,
Say it again.
15,
Alright. What comes after 14?
15,
Okay, and then what comes after 15?
16,
There we go.
17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
Very good.
22, 23, 25, 26,
Right. What comes after 23?
24,
There you go.
25, 26, 27, 28, 20, 16,
What's after 28?
19,
No, close, but you're kind of, what comes after 28?
29,
There you go.
26,
No, we just did this one.
27, what is that?
30.
30,
30. Good job.
I have a lot.
So 10, 20, 30. Let's see, so we got 30. I'll start with the big ones first. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I want to be to make it like an eye.
Like an eye?
Yeah.
Not with those coins. Those aren't coins we can use. 15, 16, 17.
It's a baby plush. Plush, plush, plush. How many we got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $11.01.
Ah,
This is the same.
that's not even enough to buy one
This
5-inch
is the
plushie.
same alien ship that King take with it.
Okay.
Right?
The 5-incher
Right?
Star Wars one are like $14
Right?
now, right?
It's gonna have to keep saving a bit more.
Right?
Yeah.
Right, Dave?
What do you want to buy with your money?
A Han Silver plush.
Yeah, we need $2 more.
$2 more?
And 99 cents.
We have 3 more.
No. Again, can't use these coins.
Can I use this coin too?
You can't use any of these.
Those are not US money.
No?
Yeah.
Not it.
Yeah. Alright, let's put them back in your box. Box or piggy bank?
Piggy. Box.
Box.
What? Put them all in here.
You're not gonna put it